How to download videos from Pinterest directly to your device. Pinterest is another great application, but it does not allow you to download videos from the app itself. So in this video I will teach you how you can download videos from Pinterest. So for example, if I want to download this video here, the first thing I should do is click on the three dots in the bottom right corner and copy link. Once I have copied the link, go to Chrome browser, or you can use any other browser. I'm using Chrome here. So go to Chrome browser and search for exports PHP Pinterest video downloader, and here's the website that we want. It's exportsphp.com/Pinterest video downloader. Now once you have opened the website, here's a block to paste your Pinterest link. Click on it and paste your pin and click on download. Now the website is generating the download link. Here's the video and here's the download link. You can download the video in any format. So here's a 720 and 736 SD, two formats. So if I want to download 720p, I should click on download link. And this is the video. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on download, and the file is being downloaded now. And here we go, finished. Finally, the file is in our device now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are having a great day. Thank you.